Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John, and it's going to be for the Echowitt High Precision Digital Range Gauge. It's going to be for model number WH5360. So in this video, we are going to be installing the AA battery into the main collector unit. So there's a little compartment right over here in the back, and you're just going to install the one AA battery. Now, once you install the battery, you'll see a permanent light. Now, there is an indicator, which is right here. You see that small little hole. Now, once you have it set up outside and it's synchronized with the main unit in the display unit inside, you should be able to start seeing it blinking every 49 seconds according to the manual. When you see it blinking every 49 seconds, you will know that the this main unit over here that's collecting the rain, it will be sending its data transmission to the main unit. So also, according to the manual, they want to make sure that you insert the battery the correct way. They say that if you do not install it the correct way, you could damage the unit. Also, they also recommend that you just use the AA battery and that you do not use the rechargeable batteries. Um, they say that the rechargeable batteries do not provide enough power um, for the main unit. So there you go, installing the AA battery into the main unit. And then also, once you install the battery, go ahead and close it up by putting this into the back of the unit. Okay, all right, so there you go. Installing the main battery, the 1AA, AAA battery into the main unit of the Ecowitt High Precision Digital Rain Gauge, model number WH5360. Hey, thanks a lot for watching this quick video. You can get all the videos for this Echowitt High Precision Digital Rain Gauge on my YouTube channel playlist. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later. Bye.